Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel, and in this video I want to share with you guys something super quick, easy, and that you can have at home in case of an emergency, in case you cannot go to stores and buy food. All these things going on right now around the world, you have to think about what stuff you can have at home in case of emergencies, that you can still prep meals at home and provide still healthy meals for your family. This may not be the healthiest for some people, but for me, I am on the keto diet and my husband does regular food. So this is actually good for the both of us. I can still have it. So what I have is a tomato, onion, cilantro, and some mayo. And I'll also give you an alternative if you don't want to use mayo, but I am using the avocado oil mayo because I am on the keto diet. And the main ingredient is this premium chunk white chicken. It says in water, fully cooked, and it has 19 grams of protein. And you might want to stock up on these. We did, because these are easy meals that we can have. Also things that you can have in your pantry that are not going to go bad, and you can still use them in case of emergencies. And remember, when you have your veggies, make sure you wash them, disinfect them. Fruit, anything we touch from the stores, we have to wash and clean and disinfect really well, because you don't know if people touching the fruit and veggies at the grocery store or anything is contaminated. So be very careful. And now I'm going to show you guys how we can prepare a really nice meal in a bowl. And yeah, I'll show you guys. So the first ingredient that goes in the bowl is the chicken. I already drained the water, so you're going to put it in the bowl. And this is what it looks like. Now we're gonna add our veggies. We're gonna add the tomato, onion. Oh, you guys can't even see. Tomato, onion. You guys hear my son in the background. I'm so sorry, but I do not have anyone to watch him right now. Here it is. Super easy meal you can provide your family. And then you mix it really well. Try to get in there with the chunks of the chicken. Super easy chicken salad. And I tell you, this one, sometimes when I don't have time or I don't want to cook, I put it on tostadas or chicken sandwich for my husband. Different kinds of meals. I can even have this on the keto diet as just a chicken salad and some cheese crisps, and it's perfect. So this is the way it looks, and you're gonna want to add either avocado oil mayo, or olive oil, and add salt and pepper to taste. And you can also add lime if you want. And this is a great easy meal for any emergency. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it for my husband as a tostadas, and then I'm gonna top it with some avocado. And that is definitely a good meal for your family, a good meal you can provide for these times of emergency. Food that you can have in your pantry, and quick and easy meals you can prepare. Hopefully this helps anyone. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.